Good day, wonderful people, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. A happy new month to all of you. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. On this channel, I share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual messages, spiritual remedies that will change your life, that will draw you closer to God, that will help you to solve your spiritual problem using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors in manifesting our spiritual tips. In today's video, I have come with another powerful spiritual cleansing that will help you to remove blockages, that will help you to remove stagnation, that will help you to remove negative energy, that will help you to remove hatred, that will help you to remove rising and falling. Name it all the problems of life, sicknesses. All you need to do is to watch this video to the end. What you will be needing on this recipe is your coconut water. Another item is your Nescafe coffee. Another item is your lemon. With these three items, you are going to cleanse your aura. With these three items, you are going to drive away negative energy, evil force that is making you to suffer, that is making people to hate you, that is making disappointment all over your way, that which is making you not to feel happy, that problem that has been eating you up, that which you have been believing God to do for you in the past years. We have started another year and we are in the month of February. You need to buckle up your shoe, you need to tighten up your belt, you need to work very hard, also pray very hard, and also do the spiritual assignment and recipe. By doing this, my God is going to solve your problem to you. Whatsoever that made you to come in contact of my face this year, my God will solve that your problem for you. And for those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, please consider subscribing to the channel. Subscribe to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get notified. Give me a thumbs up on my videos, which signify the like. Share my videos with your friends and your well-wishers. Also comment on the comment section. And for those of you who are my backbone, my day one gang, my bona fide subscribers, those of you who are my return views, I pray for you that this month of February, my God is going to bless you mightily. Thanks for supporting me. Thanks for always coming back to watch my video. Thanks for patronizing me in money and in kind. Thanks for buying my spiritual material. Thanks also for introducing me to people. Those of you who have been chatting me on WhatsApp, testifying what God is using me to do on here. I pray for you that the sky is your stepping stone. Without wasting each and every one of your time, for the spiritual cleansing that will help you in this month of February. Are you here? You have been believing God to do something for you, or you have been suffering to make ends meet, or you have been experiencing stagnation, you have been experiencing disappointment, you have been experiencing delay, rising and falling, leaking pocket. Are you here? You are being sick, spiritually sick. And whenever you remember your situation, your condition, it seems as if the world has come to an end. Let me tell you, on this channel, we give people faith. It is not yet over until it is over. Your name is written in the book of life. So if you key unto me and hearken unto my voice, and also practice with me, whatsoever that is making you to think, making you to cry midnight cry, making you to suffer, that thing that you have been believing God, my God will do it for you. What you will be needing on this recipe, like as I said, on this spiritual cleansing, is your coffee, Nescafe. I don't mean the coffee that they have mixed with something. The black coffee itself. That is what you will be needing on this recipe. And this coffee has the spiritual vibration, yes, that we are going to harness. Spiritual energies that we are going to harness. Another item is your coconut. This recipe will be going on for 4 days. So if you get this video on the 2nd of February, you start your own assignment. Whenever you get this video, you start your own assignment until on the 7th. You have to do it for 4 days. So you need to get 4 pieces of coconut. And you get your Nescafe coffee. Then you get your lemon. Your lemon has to be 4 because it has to be 4 days spiritual cleansing bath. I'm telling you, after doing this bit, you will come back to this channel to testify. You will come back on here to tell me that so things has happened to your life. Yes, anointing no be juju and power, no be powder. I am only here to waken up the sleeping lions. I am not here for the sheep. So, like as I was saying, before you do this recipe, you must cleanse yourself. After you have used this, you must cleanse yourself before you use this. How are you going to cleanse yourself? You need 7 pieces of alligator pepper. Use it and cleanse yourself from every negative energy that has been following you. Every disappointment, every failure that has been following you, starting from the beginning of the year, which is January, that you remove them in this month of February. Use it to roll all over your body and throw it on your back. Or you get a native egg or English egg. Use it also to cleanse yourself before doing this recipe. God bless you. Then before I go on to tell you how you are going to do this cleansing bath, I would like to introduce my product on here because it is called Walk and Chop. We have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands. A lot of people has been buying it. It has been from one testimony to the other. You can ask my fans in US, my fans in Europe, my fans in South America and Asia, even in Africa. We have the road opening soap. If there has been a lot of blockages in your way, this soap, when you are using it to bathe, your road will be open. We have the anti-witchcraft soap. If you have been under witchcraft activities, they have been eating you up. They have been sending forces and attack to you. When you are using this soap to bathe, you will get yourself. The witchcraft will run from you. We have the back to sender soap. Has they been making enchantment and utterances and incantation against your life? Has they been sending a full attack against you? You have been experiencing blockages and failure. When you are using this soap to bathe, whatsoever any man is doing in your life, in your name, will return back to sender to the person. We have the harm me not soap. If anybody is planning to harm you, as long as you are using this material to bite, this material, spiritual material, that's your office, they are planning to harm you. That's your business place, they are planning to harm you. Even in your community, they are planning to harm you. If you are using this soap to bathe, no man, no woman will harm you. We have the spiritual cleansing bath detox. If there is blockages on your way, this material, these spiritual materials will cleanse it off. We have the curse breaking soap. If there is curses following you, paternal curses, maternal curses, foundational curses, this soap will break them off. Also, we have the F1 plus detox, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver, the moving object remover. Is it crawling all over your body? Has something been walking inside your body like snake? Are you having scratches and rashes? Are you feeling pain in your body? And you have been to the hospital, the diagnosis is nothing. I have the antidote to your problem. It is called F1 plus detox, the anti-witchcraft poison remover, the moving object remover. Even if you have eaten something in the dream, even if it is a poison that you match in the dream or something you have through sex, this particular product will dissolve it. I can beat up my chest and tell you that this is tested and trusted. All you need to do, if you need any of my product, call me on the phone +234 7088 136610. That is my number. We have the favor soap. We also have the love and attraction soap. We have the mercy and favor soap. We have the stop evil oil, 99 demon manipulation oil, and we have spiritual bracelets, protection bracelets, attraction bracelets. We have the Pancane oil, original honey. We also have the oil for blessing. All these things are in stock. If you need them, don't hesitate to call me without wasting your time. And if you need me to do any spiritual work for you, don't hesitate to call me. But remember, there is nothing free. Even in free land, there is no free food. God bless you all. Without wasting each and every one of your time, this is spiritual cleansing for the new month of February. And this cleansing will help you to remove blockages, disappointment, failure, barrenness, rising and falling, spiritual sickness, spiritual manipulation, spiritual enchantment. This will drive away negative energy from your life. And you have to do this recipe for good 4 days. If you are seeing your period, this recipe is not for you. If you are the type that have sex every time, this recipe is not for you, because you are going to do it straightly 4 days for the month of February to favor you, for the universe to favor you, for heaven and earth to favor you, for you to be blessed this year 2024. All you'll be needing for this recipe is your coconut. Like as I said, 4 pieces of coconut for 4 days, and your coffee. Another thing you'll be needing is your lemon, 4 pieces of lemon. Now look at how this recipe goes. If you are going to take this to bathe in the morning, you have to mix the water at night. So early in the morning, you take it to bathe. But I will advise you to do this thing in the morning. Prepare the water in the morning. So at night before you go to bed, or by 12 a.m. in the midnight, you use it to take your bath. Each blessed day, you put your water inside a bowl, a white bowl for that matter. Take 3 spoons of caffeine, coffee or coffee. Add it to that water. Bring 1 lemon and cut it horizontally. Then press the juicy of the lemon inside the water, or the juicy. Bring 1 coconut and break it. Pour the water inside the water that you are going to be using to bathe in the night, and drop it. At night when you want to use this water, bring out 7 pieces of alligator pepper and use it to clean yourself, or 1 native egg or English eggs for cleansing. Then after that, bring out the water and begin to pray. Call the universe, call God in heaven, call your father's deities and ancestors, call your chi to come and help you. That any man, any woman, every negative energy that has been following you starting from the year 2023 to January 2024, in this February 2024, that as you are using this water to cleanse, you cleanse away negative energy, you cleanse away disappointment, you cleanse away failure, you cleanse away rising and falling, you cleanse away hatred, you cleanse away blockages, you cleanse away evil aura, evil odor, evil marks from your maternal side, from your paternal side, every incantation or enchantment of any man, or every altar speaking evil against your life, as you bathe with these natural materials, as you harness their spiritual energies and frequencies and vibrations, that let the universe cleanse everything, that this month of February, prosperity will be your name, that people will favor you, heaven will favor you, that every blockage, these doors that the enemy has opened, as you finish taking this back, let every doors be open, let connection come, let people that forgot you remember you in this month of February, that you will never cast and carry, you will never suffer for what you do not know, that where others go and die, you will go there and survive it. Where they find it difficult, it shall be easy for you. You know what you want, you know what you are going through. Pray it inside that water. After that, call your name 7 times and turn the water 7 times. Use it to take your bath. Make sure you don't scrub your body. Allow the water to dry inside your body. The next day, do the same recipe. The next day, do the same recipe. Do it 4 days in a row. And let me tell you, every blockage is anything making you not to attract good things, not to attract success, not to attract prosperity. That sickness, that spiritual sickness that they have ascended in you, that manipulation spirit that they are using to monitor you, that spirit will leave your body and you will progress. Yes, I have come to the end of this video at this junction, because if I begin to talk, many people don't have data to listen to me. Please do me a favor by subscribing to the red button down below this video. Like this video, share it everywhere. Share it on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. Share it. You might be a soul saver to somebody who is in need of spiritual cleansing, to drive away negativities and sickness of any kind. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye for now. I still remain your brother Chima, a spiritualist.